Hey guys, Ed here, and I just got my dirty hands on this 2019 Nissan Altima, and let's take a look at it. Let's walk around, and I'll give you my opinion, I guess. So this car has hubcaps. This is S model, and nice white color. Let's walk around. I like those hubcaps. The design of new Altima is really nice. Well, I like. Okay, we have. Okay, yeah, the keys inside. That's the button you can press and it's gonna close it. The keys inside. That's why it shows. Told me, no man, I'm not gonna close it. Nice. I like the optics. Very nice. Okay, let's get inside. Chrome handle. Okay, some tools here. Nice, very nice. But this is not leather. This is rubberized. The steering wheel. Door panel. This is rubberized, which is nice. It's not gonna scratch. This is plasticky. Rubber, plastic, rubber, plastic, plastic. They still use plastic here. Yeah, these parts scratch usually, which is not cool. But yeah. Plastic. This is nice leather. Plastic, rubber. This is rubber. Well, interior looks actually very nice. Nice black seats with white stitching. Nice. Well, it's a new car in 2019. Jesus. Okay, well, steering wheel. The airbag looks so small. We have controllers for the sound and for the display, I guess. And here we have cruise control and Bluetooth. And here we can switch radio and CDs and songs or whatever. Here we have our window controllers, window lockage, door locks, mirrors. Nice. Let's start. This is where our start button is now, so we have to press the brake. So it has keyless go. This key is already since 2008. They could actually in 10 years do something more interesting, but still, this is a nice key actually. Why am I saying that? Let's check if it's gonna start. Nope. Press brake, push brake and start switch. Okay, so press brake. Ooh, nice. We have movie. But nice, very nice. I like. Okay, so very nice and neat shifter. Nissan Connect, Sirius XM, touch screen. Is it touch screen? No. Oh yeah, it's touch screen. Nice, very nice. Menu, camera. Okay, nice. You have multiple color screen here. Well, tachometer on the left with temperature and gas with the speedometer on the right. Mileage, shifter gear, and distance still empty. Time and Fahrenheit temperature on top of it. Okay, so it shows our door is open. Close the door, and now we have different settings. We can use this thing here to reset. Let's go back. No, driver assistance, whatever that is. Emergency brake, driver attention alert. Okay, well, nice. A lot of different features. Okay, glasses, door, well, the dome light. Here we have, what do we have here? Nothing. Really? No cigarette lighter, nothing? No. Okay. What about here? Oh yeah, we have USB and some other thing. Here we have again USB, auxiliary, and another thing, whatever that is. And we have 12-volt accessory. Very nice. Climate control right here. Nice knobs. Very actually looks very nice and neat. Steering wheel is very nice. Rubberized, but whatever, it's okay. Let's check the glove compartment. Small glove compartment, plasticky. Well, that's pretty much it. What can I say? I like what they did here. Seats feel comfortable. Yeah, nice car. Look, screen, everything looks like Mazda 3 actually. I like it. Okay guys, so yeah, this is pretty much it. That's what I wanted to show you, and hope it helps. Bye bye, take care, press like button, bye.